There is all. Has gone out. Doesn't like that weather, but no choice. Has to do the toilet. Come. Yeah, man. Let's go. You piss somewhere else. Crazy winter. I got so deep. Huh? Don't pull me so much, I'm going to fail. Oh my god. Full with energy, this guy. Doesn't go out so often now. Once per 24 hours. Doesn't want to go out. Doesn't like the weather. And most interesting is that he has no problem with the toilet. I don't know how he's doing it, but no worries. Even he can hold it for days, 2-3 days, which is, I don't know, unbelievable. I almost fell down. Shoot. This way, come on, let's go. Okay, jump, jump, jump. Quick one. We go for a quick walk. Yeah, take a pee because this is gonna be until tomorrow. But otherwise it's beautiful, I like it, I don't care. It's not so cold, probably around minus 5, 6 or so. Pile of snow. Tons of snow, yeah, everywhere. At least people cleaning up though. Wait, stop, I wanna fix my GoPro, wait. Wait, just a sec, give me a sec. Let's go, let's see now. 1 meter snow. Maybe more, I don't know. But it's much. It's been snowing for days and days. Now it stopped after 3 days. Insane. Yeah, winter. Canada, what do you expect? On the beach, won't happen now. Won't happen. Stop pulling me. Oh my god, come on. Kids enjoying. Yeah. Come, jump, go. You have to poop, man. I don't know how you're gonna do it, but somehow gotta do it. Ah, come on now. Gotta be kidding me. Come on. It's not the right time right now. Oh my head. Can't get stuck. These runners should have taken my boots. Yeah. Spring is coming, relax. Next one will be much softer. This is the probably, I don't know, maybe won't be the last snow, who knows. Never know. Everything's crazy now. Get the garbage bin. The snow is almost up to the garbage bin. Come. What are you seeing now? That's a kid pie. It's not a dog. Wanna do full circle or just half? I don't know. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, he wanna do full one. Almost 1 kilometer. That's fine. We go around now. Yeah, too much energy. Staying home all day. Same. That's it. No choice. Can't make him go out when he doesn't want. Almost 10 to 6 p.m. It's not getting dark so quick now. Yeah. The days are stretching now. Spring is coming. That's why. Come on. Then somewhere. We go somewhere. Go do adventure. Go to British Columbia with this guy. Or gold prospecting. Yeah. Gonna stay a few months over there in the wilderness. Gonna be a big show. Come on, hurry up. Get your feet frozen, man. Oh no, not going that trail. Let's go. Come. If you poop, if you don't poop, then tomorrow. I don't know. Good thing they clean up the path here. Otherwise, snow to the shoulders. Come. Hello. Look at the guy else. Yeah. Wait. Ooh, actually it's cold. I don't know why I said in the beginning sun, but it is probably. Let me see. Oh yeah, -6. And probably feels like -8, -9. Oh, some dog is coming. It's too strong, man. I'm getting older. Pulling like horse. That way. No.
Hello.
Hello. No. Hey. No. What's wrong with you? Let's go. Come. If you don't like him, then that's okay. Just don't go there. Don't get aggressive. Never been. Come. Go. Holding GoPro, my hands getting frozen. Oh, there you go, poop time. Okay, camera off. Oh boy. Okay guys, see you on the next. Gotta pick it up. You know how it goes, yeah?